Hi everyone, it's Gail, and we're going to do a little spring yard tour. So I am in the front of my house, cars going by. The daffodils are done blooming. Now we've got these pretty little irises. So we are going to enjoy those while they're here. And you can see on some of my plants, look at this. The deer are just having such a heyday. But I wanted to show you, that's our flowering crab tree. It is so pretty right now. It's been raining, and it quit raining for a little bit. So I thought, well, we will just take a little tour. Right across the street there, or behind my tree, is the house that's for sale. Does one of my crafty friends want to buy that house and move across the street from me? We'd have fun. Okay, we're going to the back now. I feel a little awkward out front just because I do. Oh, can't get the door. Can't get the gate. There we go. Got it. Sorry. I wiggled you around a bit. Okay, so it's been a while since I've done a yard tour. So this is Mike's garden, and he has his garlic coming up like crazy. Look at all that garlic. And I don't know what else he has planted. Oh, onions in this row right here. Garlic and onions. Can you tell he's Italian? And then I'm not sure what that is, but he just got a bean, like a pole thing for them to climb. This is the strawberry bed that he put in while I was at my retreat. He's got the what do you call that, landscaping stuff, and he's gonna put rocks, like river rocks like that, around it. So that's that. I wanted you to see, look at that tree, would ya? Oh, that's such a pretty view of our yard. So that's a Mayday tree. That was my dad's favorite kind of tree. And so we put that in, gosh, right after we moved in, and it has gotten big. But it smells so glorious. It's a little droopy from all the rain, but it smells so good. Okay, then come around this way. Excuse the pine tree. Those are my peonies. I need to get those all strung up, tied up so that, because let's see, does this one have, oh yeah, it's starting to get buds on it. See, there's a bud right there. Yeah, it's starting to get buds. So we need to get those tied up, so that otherwise the buds are too heavy and they kind of make it fall down. These are white irises. They are so pretty when they come out. Can't remember the name of that, but it's all smashed down from the rain now. Okay, let's see. Let's go up here. Oh, we'll come down here first. That, I'm not showing you that. That is my crummy garden that's always full of weeds. This is Snow on the Mountain, is what this is called. And it's a perennial, and so absolutely no work at all except to get the ones that get out of the container. Oh, there's the 100-acre woods. Okay, so we're just coming up the hill. Let's see, this one is alyssum, and it'll have purple flowers. This big old poppy is just happy as can be. And this one is alyssum. This little guy is alyssum. That is a carnation, that little one. And I've got two that I think might have winter killed right there, but darn, I wish that wouldn't have happened. Okay, so then up here, this is Mike's herb garden. So there's chives there. I think that one is marjoram, rhubarb, and these are peppermint, and I think this one's oregano. And then this is my little upper garden. Mike and I sit here in the afternoons all the time. It's just so lovely. That is a daylily. These are hostas, and these are like the ones down by the deck. I forget the name of them, but they're great. They come back every year. And so I haven't gotten like things for my pots or anything yet. I'm gonna wait till after we're gone for graduation and everything, but we'll just go down and I'll give you another look at the Mayday tree. Oh, I just think it's so beautiful. Should we go up and have a close-up of, it's a little droopy. It's a little droopy because of the rain, but how beautiful is that? So thanks everybody. Quick little video, but I thought this would be a good filler inner for the days that I'm gonna be gone. So thanks everybody. I hope you have a grateful day. Be kind always, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.